Hey guys, welcome back. And on this video I'll be showing you how you can bring a pointer on the screen of the phone while you're making an explainer video. So the first thing we want to do is we really want to become a developer. And a developer simply means you being able to access some features, some settings, on the phone that usually you are not allowed to access. So this is actually made for individuals who want to go beyond the extra mile. Like it has been said, on this course we are changing what seemed to be impossible. We are making it possible. So exactly what we'll be doing right now is we really want to become a developer, which seemed to be impossible, which has been made somehow impossible for normal individuals who do not know this way. So the first thing we want to do is we really want to go to settings for us to become a developer, and after becoming a developer, so we'll be able to set that pointer in a way that we will be able to make an explainer video. So first thing we want to do, we click on settings and we scroll down. I want to show you first that we are not a developer. That's the first thing I want to show you. So we scroll down to systems, system, click on system, and observe this area here. Usually you're supposed to be having a developer around this area, but because we are not a developer yet, you won't be having any developer around this area. But later on, if after adding a developer mode, we'll come back to this place and you will discover that we now have a developer right here. So let's go back to get our developer mode activated. Let's go back, and the first thing we want to do when we click on settings, we want to look for my phone. You look for my phone. In some other phones it comes like about phone. Whatever case yours is, just try to look for the actual one and then you click on it. This is my own here. Sometimes you find it at the bottom. So I'll click on my phone, click on it and scroll down to locate build number. So now we click on build number. Click on build number. The thing is, sorry, I forgot to say something. This build number of the thing, you have to click it 7 times. So for you to become a developer, so click on it 7 times for us to become a developer. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I think I clicked the first one first and I didn't explain. So you just click it 7 times and boom, it takes you to this part where you're going to put your code or your pattern depending on which one you are using. So you put that and you proceed. You are now a developer. So we have successfully become a developer. Now for you to be sure that you are now a developer, you have to go back to that place I showed you earlier and you're going to see the developer mode has been activated. So let's go back. I think it's system down here. Click on system. So you can now see initially this developer mode wasn't here, but right now we have the developer mode right here. So we can click on the developer mode in order for us to be able to activate this. In case you're coming from so you click on the developer mode. Let's click on the developer mode. So we scroll down. There are a lot of settings. Please, you should be very careful the way you tamper with your developer mode, because you can damage your phone if you're not careful, and that is why that place was actually blocked. For individuals who do not understand what they are supposed to be doing in the developer mode, it is better they do what they want to do, what they know what to do, and leave there. Otherwise you might end up destroying your phone. Now the next thing we want to do is, you can see the show tab. You're going to see a show tab. This is exactly what we are after. This is what will bring that pointer that we want on our phone. Immediately on it, you're going to see the pointer will appear. I have been explaining all this why they have not been pointer, because this thing was off. The only way that there will be a pointer is when you are already a developer. So you want to on this now so we can have the pointer. So right now you can see the pointer has appeared. You can see that I now have the pointer, and when I explain, you can see exactly what I'm explaining. Now you need to understand that if you don't want to become a developer again and you switch off the developer mode, this feature will be gone. Okay, for you to have this feature, you must be a developer, and you must remain a developer for you to continue having this feature. So you really don't want to off the developer mode, otherwise it will go back to normal and you have to come back to become a developer for you to be able to access that service. Now, looking at this, okay, if you check here at the very top here, you can see the developer mode is on. Okay, if I switch it off, okay, I won't be able to access this feature again. This pointer will disappear. Okay, so you don't want to switch it off, and you actually don't want to come to this developer option and start tampering with things, because you might end up damaging your phone. Okay, so let's be sure that, okay, that is what we did, and that's all, and we go back to normal and we now have our pointer. Okay, just to be sure that we have our pointer, you can see my pointer is moving. Okay, I can use it for things. I can use it for anything I want to. You can click on this and you see the pointer is showing. Move around, the pointer is showing. Okay, so this is how you can get your pointer. Okay, now the first thing we did was we became a developer, and secondly we got the pointer activated via the developer mode. So this is the end of this video. I'll see you in the next video.